Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard the easy way. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 4 large egg yolks, 2 cups of whole milk, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Using fresh, high-quality ingredients is key for the best flavor and a smooth texture. Whole milk or light cream will give your custard a wonderfully rich and creamy consistency. Make sure everything is ready before you begin cooking. Now let's get mixing. In a bowl, whisk your egg yolks and sugar together until the mixture is light in color and creamy. Next, gently heat your milk in a saucepan until it's steaming and small bubbles form around the edges, but do not let it boil. To prevent the eggs from scrambling, slowly pour about 1/2 cup of the hot milk into the egg mixture while continuously whisking. Then, gradually add the tempered egg mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk. Cook this over medium-low heat, stirring constantly for about 10 to 12 minutes, until it thickens. Achieving the perfect consistency is crucial for a delightful custard. You'll know it's ready when it's thick enough to coat the back of a spoon, and you can draw a clean line through it with your finger. It's important to avoid letting the custard boil, as this can cause the eggs to curdle and result in a lumpy texture. Keep the heat steady and stir continuously. Once thickened, remove it from the heat and stir in your vanilla extract. For an extra silky, smooth custard, pour it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. After cooking, transfer your custard to a heat-proof bowl. To prevent a skin from forming, place a piece of plastic wrap directly on the surface of the custard, ensuring it touches the entire top. Refrigerate for at least 2 to 3 hours, or ideally overnight, until it's completely chilled and set. You can enjoy this versatile dessert plain, or serve it with fresh berries, sliced fruit, or a drizzle of your favorite sauce. It's also wonderful over cake or as part of a trifle. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.